Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Ghanaian lines. First, gather your essential tools: braiding hair, a fine-tooth comb, hair clips, and your favorite styling gel. Next, prepare the natural hair by washing, conditioning, and thoroughly detangling it. This ensures a smooth braiding process and a neat finish. Remember, proper preparation is key to achieving beautiful, long-lasting Ghanaian lines. We'll cover sectioning techniques next. Achieving crisp Ghanaian lines starts with precise sectioning. Use a rat tail comb to create clean, sharp parts, defining your desired line pattern. Secure each unbraided section with clips to keep them separate and prevent tangling. Consistency in section size is crucial for a uniform look, whether you're aiming for 10 or 20 braids. Take your time with this step. It truly makes all the difference in the final style. Now for the braiding itself. Start by taking a small piece of braiding hair and incorporating it into the natural hair at the root. As you cornrow, gradually feed in more braiding hair, ensuring a smooth transition. Maintain firm, even tension throughout the braid to create a sleek, defined line. Braid all the way to the ends, securing each braid with a small rubber band or by knotting the braiding hair. Aim for about 15 to 20 braids for a full head. Once all your Ghanaian lines are braided, it's time for the finishing touches. Dip the ends of the braids into hot water for about 30 seconds to seal them and prevent unraveling. Next, apply a light mousse or setting lotion to smooth down any flyaways and add a beautiful shine. To maintain your style, cover your hair with a silk scarf or bonnet every night. Remember to moisturize your scalp regularly with a light oil. This style can last for 4 to 6 weeks with proper care.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.